What's happening, everyone? Art with Overtake, and today I'm out in the garage about to introduce a new variation and fitment on a product that Justin introduced in this video. It's the Overtake microcarbon cabin filter for both the first and second generation BRZ, FRS, and 86. Justin did a really great job of listing all of the detailed attributes of this filter in that video, so you guys need to go check it out. Also, I'll throw a link for the product page down in the description so you can see the same thing and order one up for yourself. Really, the gist of this product is it cleans the air going into the cab of your car, so it's hugely important. What I'm gonna do is step in, we'll install it, and I'll show you how easy it is. There's a little bit of variation between Subaru and Toyota chassis as far as the air filter, but for the most part, they're going to be located right here on the passenger side under the glove box. In this 2286, we just need to pop this open. You'll see a couple of clips here that pop out. And then this glove box is going to come out as one unit, just like that. The factory cabin filter is right in here, so all you have to do is pop this cover off and then slide this out and be surprised by how dirty this is. In this case, the car has had about 25,000 miles and you can see it's collected a lot of dust and debris, which means it's not getting in your cab, but you can imagine the kind of stuff that's getting past this, and once it gets clogged up, it's no longer effective. I'm gonna pull the Overtake cabin filter out of the box, and as you can see straight away, it looks a lot nicer than the OEM unit, and it's gonna filter the debris a lot better. The install is super duper easy. You're gonna see the logo up front with an airflow arrow right there. So you just want that to be upright, and then put that right in. Reinstalling the glove box is relatively easy. You just have to keep an eye out for these pieces that pop in on the back. You can't really see them once it's in place. So you kind of hook it on to there, feel out the piece in the back, make sure they click in. Last step, make sure you clip these two tabs back in, and then you're done. Well, there you have it, a 45-second install to significantly improve the air quality in your car. I would say it's worth it. If you guys want to get your hands on one of these, we're going to put a link down in the description below. And if you want to support our company, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the page, and follow us on our social media platforms at Overtake USA. The factory cabin filter is going to be located right in here. This panel is really easy to take off. Apparently not. way harder than it looks.